So getting yourself nice and comfy and closing down through the eyes. And you're starting to feel into the sensation of the earth, your seat, or your bed beneath you. Allowing your spine to lengthen a little longer as you sit up a little straighter. Gently pulling your shoulders back and opening your heart. And taking a really beautiful deep breath in the nose. And a long breath out the mouth. Two more like this. Deep breath in the nose. A long breath out the mouth. One more deep breath in the nose. And a long breath out the mouth. And I want you to imagine any pressure that you've put upon yourself to show up to life in a certain way, to show up as a mother in a certain way, to show up to this course in a certain way, to show up as a partner, as an employee, as a colleague, as a friend. Any pressure, any expectation, just for a moment, feeling that weight, feeling that pressure that you've placed upon yourself. And perhaps at times, this weight, this pressure, it feels like it's being put there by others. But really, we are the only one who can accept this pressure, who can keep this weight on our shoulders. And we might have been carrying this for so many years. We've even forgotten that it's there. We've even forgotten that we don't have to carry it, that actually we are choosing to carry it. And so in this moment, my invitation to you is to give yourself the permission to remember that you have the choice to release this pressure, to release this weight, to release all of these expectations. And so I invite you to visualize this pressure, this weight, these expectations as a certain color or texture or shape, noticing where it lives in your body. And if you're ready, if you choose to do so, can you slowly start to let some of it go? Imagining it melting or dissolving or evaporating off your body. And perhaps the intensity of the color dissipates, or the heaviness starts to soften. But allowing a visualization like this to represent a subtle letting go. So what pressure, what expectations are you ready to let go of? Continuing to watch the intensity dissipate, the pressure soften. Where in your life are you being weighed down? Where in your life are you choosing to carry these pressures and expectations? And from this moment forward, where in your life are you choosing to let that go? Even if it's just 1%. Let yourself breathe a little deeper. Sit up a little taller and a little straighter. And feel these burdens a little lighter. Continue to allow yourself to breathe deeper as you invite breath and space into areas of your body and your mind that you haven't breathed into for years. See, the breath invites space. The breath is space. So where in your body or your mind are you contracted or compressed? And can you invite breath, life, and space into that place? You might want to add some deep exhales through the mouth or some sighs as you continue to let go, as you continue to release pressure, as you continue to invite and allow more space. You might even want to start to gently move or stretch or even massage. Maybe massaging your jaw, noticing how much pressure is stored in your jaw. Maybe you want to stretch your neck or move your shoulders. Or massage your temples or your scalp. Where in your body does this trapped or stored tension live? And how can you invite movement or massage into that area? Just a few more breaths, a few more movements, a few more releases. Maybe inviting a little bit of an edge in your expression, your release, or your movement. So what feels a little funny, a little edgy, or a little weird to move or sound or breathe in this moment? Just taking a few more breaths. Maybe inviting a smile, a softness. Maybe even inviting a sensation of pleasure. When you're ready, slowly starting to open your eyes.